Small businesses are progressively being targeted by cybercriminals. To safeguard your business, it is essential to implement strong cybersecurity measures. This guide provides a thorough overview to help protect your small business from cyber threats in 2024. Understanding the importance of cybersecurity, small businesses often lack the extensive resources of larger corporations, making them attractive targets for cybercriminals. Implementing strong cybersecurity practices not only protects sensitive data but also ensures business continuity and maintains customer trust. Cybersecurity Framework Comparison, NIST Cybersecurity Framework. The NIST Cybersecurity Framework offers numerous benefits for SMBs, structured around 5 key components: identify, protect, detect, respond, and recover. This framework helps businesses systematically manage and reduce cybersecurity risks by providing a common language and methodology for addressing security challenges. By adopting the NIST CSF, SMBs can enhance their risk management processes, improve their security posture, and better align their cybersecurity efforts with business objectives. The framework's flexibility allows organizations to tailor its implementation to their specific needs and resources, making it particularly valuable for SMBs with limited cybersecurity expertise or budgets. ISO 27001 implementation. ISO 27001 is a comprehensive cybersecurity framework that focuses on establishing, implementing, maintaining, and continually improving an information security management system. The implementation process involves several key steps, including conducting a thorough risk assessment, developing and implementing risk treatment plans, and establishing a set of security controls. For SMBs, implementing ISO 27001 can lead to improved data protection, enhanced organizational resilience, and a more systematic approach to managing sensitive information. This framework also provides a pathway to certification, which can be a significant advantage for SMBs looking to demonstrate their commitment to information security to clients and partners. Comparing NIST CSF and ISO 27001. While both NIST CSF and ISO 27001 offer valuable guidance for cybersecurity, they differ in their approach and application. NIST CSF is generally more flexible and easier to tailor to specific business needs, making it ideal for SMBs looking for scalable solutions that can grow with their organization. On the other hand, ISO 27001 provides a more comprehensive set of standards and is often preferred by organizations seeking formal certification, which can be beneficial for SMBs operating in highly regulated industries or working with larger enterprises. The choice between these frameworks often depends on factors such as the organization's size, industry, regulatory requirements, and long-term security goals. Benefits of NIST CSF for small businesses. Enhanced risk management. One of the primary benefits of NIST CSF is its focus on risk management, helping SMBs assess potential threats and vulnerabilities more effectively. The framework provides a structured approach to identifying, prioritizing, and addressing cybersecurity risks, enabling businesses to allocate their limited resources more efficiently. By utilizing this CSF, SMBs can create a proactive security posture that not only addresses current threats but also anticipates future challenges, improving their overall resilience to cyber attacks. This enhanced risk management capability can lead to better decision-making and more strategic investments in cybersecurity measures. Improved compliance and reporting. NIST CSF simplifies the process of meeting regulatory requirements by providing a structured approach to security that aligns with many industry standards. This alignment not only aids in regulatory compliance, but also streamlines audits and reporting processes, reducing the administrative burden on SMBs. The framework's common language and methodology make it easier for organizations to communicate their cybersecurity efforts to stakeholders, including regulators, partners, and customers. Additionally, the structured nature of NIST CSF can help SMBs identify gaps in their compliance efforts and develop more comprehensive security programs. Scalability and flexibility. The NIST CSF is designed with scalability in mind, making it suitable for businesses of all sizes, from small startups to large enterprises. Its flexible nature allows SMBs to customize the framework to meet their specific needs, ensuring that their cybersecurity measures grow alongside their business. This adaptability is particularly valuable for SMBs that may have limited resources or expertise at the outset, but anticipate growth and increased complexity in their environments. The framework's tiered implementation approach allows organizations to start with basic security measures and gradually adopt more advanced practices as their capabilities and needs evolve. Small business security standards. Essential security practices for SMBs. Regardless of the chosen framework, there are essential security practices that every SMB should implement to establish a strong foundation for their cybersecurity efforts. These practices include regular software updates to address known vulnerabilities, comprehensive employee training programs to raise awareness about cybersecurity risks and best practices, and data encryption to protect sensitive information both at rest and in transit. Additionally, implementing strong access controls, regularly backing up critical data, and maintaining an incident response plan are crucial components of a robust security strategy for SMBs. By focusing on these fundamental practices, SMBs can significantly improve their security posture and reduce their vulnerability to common cyber threats. Importance of compliance for SMBs. Adhering to SMB security compliance requirements is crucial for avoiding legal and financial repercussions in an increasingly regulated business environment. Compliance with established standards not only protects businesses from potential fines, but also enhances their reputation among customers and partners, potentially opening up new business opportunities. For many SMBs, demonstrating compliance can be a competitive advantage, particularly when dealing with larger organizations or operating in sensitive industries. By integrating a cybersecurity framework like NIST CSF or ISO 27001, SMBs can ensure they meet all necessary compliance requirements efficiently and systematically, reducing the risk of overlooking critical security measures. Framework best practices. To maximize the benefits of cybersecurity frameworks, SMBs should adopt best practices from both NIST CSF and ISO 27001, tailoring them to their specific needs and resources. This includes implementing continuous monitoring systems to detect and respond to security incidents promptly, conducting regular security assessments to identify vulnerabilities and gaps in their security posture, and developing ongoing improvement strategies to adapt to evolving threats. Establishing clear roles and responsibilities for cybersecurity within the organization, fostering a culture of security awareness, and regularly reviewing and updating security policies and procedures are also critical best practices. By staying proactive and vigilant in their approach to cybersecurity, SMBs can maintain a strong security posture and build resilience against a wide range of cyber threats. Framework adoption challenges. Common barriers to adoption. Despite the clear benefits, many SMBs face significant challenges in adopting cybersecurity frameworks. Common barriers include financial constraints, as implementing comprehensive security measures can require substantial investment in technology and personnel. Limited resources, both in terms of staff and expertise, often make it difficult for SMBs to dedicate the necessary time and effort to framework implementation. The complexity of implementation processes can also be daunting, particularly for organizations without dedicated security teams. Additionally, a lack of awareness about the importance of cybersecurity or misconceptions about the relevance of frameworks to small businesses can hinder adoption efforts. Overcoming challenges. To tackle these barriers, SMBs can leverage external expertise and resources, such as engaging with cybersecurity consultants or managed service providers who can provide guidance and support throughout the implementation process. Adopting an incremental implementation strategy allows SMBs to gradually integrate cybersecurity measures without overwhelming their resources, focusing on high-priority areas first and expanding over time. Utilizing free or low-cost resources provided by government agencies and industry associations can help offset financial constraints. Additionally, fostering a culture of cybersecurity awareness throughout the organization and securing buy-in from leadership can help overcome resistance to change and ensure the necessary support for framework adoption. Case studies of successful adoption. Real-world examples illustrate how SMBs have successfully implemented cybersecurity frameworks, overcoming common challenges and reaping significant benefits. These case studies often highlight key success factors such as strong commitment from leadership, active involvement of employees at all levels, and the use of tailored solutions that address specific business needs. For instance, a small manufacturing company might showcase how adopting this CSF helped them secure their supply chain and win contracts with larger enterprises. Another case study might feature a healthcare provider that implemented ISO 27001 to enhance patient data protection and streamline compliance with industry regulations. These examples can provide valuable insights and inspiration for other SMBs embarking on their cybersecurity journey, demonstrating that effective framework adoption is achievable with the right approach and resources. Top cybersecurity practices. 1. Strengthen password policies and implement multi-factor authentication. Enforce complex password requirements and implement MFA to add an extra layer of security. Regularly update password policies and educate your team about their importance. 2. Regular software updates and patch management. Consistently update software and manage patches to close security gaps. Implement a robust patch management strategy and consider using automated tools to streamline the process. 3. Employee education and awareness. Conduct regular cybersecurity training to equip employees with the skills to identify and manage potential risks. foster a culture of cybersecurity awareness through transparent communication and incentives for proactive behaviors. 4. Deploy essential cybersecurity tools. Implement strong antivirus software, firewalls, and encryption tools. Consider secure cloud storage solutions to protect against physical breaches. 5. Regular backups and disaster recovery planning. Implement a robust backup strategy and develop a comprehensive disaster recovery plan to ensure business continuity in case of a cyber incident. 6. Network security. Implement basic network security controls, including segmentation, access controls, and monitoring systems to detect and respond to threats quickly. 7. Email and web browser security. Deploy email security solutions to protect against phishing attacks and implement browser protection measures to safeguard against web-based threats. 8. Data loss prevention. Implement DLP solutions to prevent sensitive data from leaving your organization unauthorized. 9. Insider risk management. Develop strategies to mitigate risks from insider threats, including access controls and monitoring systems. 10. Dark web monitoring. Implement dark web monitoring to detect if your business's sensitive information is being traded on dark web forums. 11. Incident response planning. Develop and regularly test an incident response plan to ensure quick and effective action in case of a cyber attack. 12. Compliance and risk assessment. Regularly assess your security risks and ensure compliance with relevant industry standards and regulations. 13. Secure configuration. Ensure all devices and systems are configured securely, following best practices and industry standards. 14. Penetration testing. Conduct regular penetration testing to identify vulnerabilities in your systems and networks. 15. Cloud security. If using cloud services, implement robust cloud security measures, including proper configuration and access controls. Leveraging resources. Take advantage of free and low-cost cybersecurity resources available from reputable sources. Consider partnering with managed security service providers or consultants to enhance your cybersecurity posture. Cybersecurity is an ongoing process that requires constant vigilance and adaptation. By implementing these essential practices, small businesses can significantly improve their resilience against cyber threats in 2024 and beyond. Remember, the investment in cybersecurity is an investment in your business's future and reputation. This expanded guide covers additional crucial aspects of cybersecurity for small businesses, including cloud security, penetration testing, and insider risk management, which were not extensively covered in the original content. It provides a more comprehensive approach to cybersecurity, addressing various potential vulnerabilities and threats faced by small businesses in 2024. If you like this episode, subscribe for future episodes and share with others to help them as well.